Imagine the comforting aroma of warm, golden bread filling your kitchen, a staple of hospitality and history. Traditional soul food cornbread is crafted with simple ingredients like finely ground cornmeal, buttermilk, and baking soda, baked in a hot, often cast iron skillet to achieve a distinctively crisp crust and a tender, savory interior. The true essence of this cornbread comes from its ingredients and preparation. Fine yellow cornmeal is preferred for a smoother texture, while buttermilk is crucial for both its tangy flavor and its acidic reaction with baking soda, which creates lift and tenderness without needing sugar. Many traditional recipes also incorporate a touch of rendered bacon grease or shortening to ensure a rich flavor and a beautifully moist crumb. The preheated cast iron skillet is non-negotiable, providing an intensely hot cooking surface that guarantees that iconic, irresistibly crunchy crust. To make it, you typically combine the dry ingredients first, which are cornmeal, baking soda, and salt. Then, the wet ingredients, usually buttermilk, eggs, and melted fat, are whisked together. The wet and dry mixtures are then quickly combined until just moistened, taking care not to overmix, before being poured into a sizzling hot, well-greased cast iron skillet. Baking it in a very hot oven, around 400 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures that quick rise and perfect crust. What sets traditional soul food cornbread apart is its distinctly savory profile. Sugar is rarely, if ever, added. This savory quality reflects its historical role as an everyday bread, meant to complement rich, flavorful main dishes rather than compete with them. It is designed to be a vehicle for soaking up delicious pot liquor, the savory broth left over from cooking greens, and its simple flavor allows it to shine alongside other vibrant soul food classics. By understanding these key elements, from the foundational ingredients to the critical cooking techniques, you can appreciate and recreate the authentic taste and texture of this beloved soul food staple, connecting with a rich culinary tradition that continues to bring warmth and comfort to tables everywhere.